Sumitomo Rubber Industries, a leading global tire manufacturer, has taken delivery of 43 units of materials handling equipment on a 60-month rental facility from Goscor Lift Truck Company. The deck electric tow tractors were deployed to Sumitomo's world-class manufacturing plant in Ladysmith, KwaZulu-Natal, to transport work-in-progress material used for tire production within the factory. The machines are powerful and smaller and fit the bill for the factory's confined working spaces. The 20 Doosan forklifts were all specified according to different department and application needs within the facility. This was done after an extensive site investigation by Goscor. The 8 Crown ESR lift trucks are being used in the raw material and finished goods warehouses. These machines are ideal for space constraints where conventional fork trucks cannot be used, offering 11.5-meter lift height capacity, which assists with the height factor for storage at higher level racks. For Sumitomo's peace of mind, all machines on site are fitted with Goscor Fleet Management System, which helps customers improve efficiency and reduce abused cars. The long-term rental offered by Goscor provided Sumitomo Rubber Industries the flexibility it needs, allowing it to easily adapt to business fluctuations. Goscor offers the most diverse product range in Southern Africa, which can tackle any application, which separates it from the rest of the competition.